Welcome to a lesson on cause and effect. Our objective here is to be able to identify causes and effects. First, we'll look at some images, and then we will look into a text, and you will try to identify different causes for one specific effect. So what is it? Cause is why something happened. I like to think of the word because. The effect is actually what happened. Sometimes the effect can be listed first, and then the cause actually comes next. Good readers look and think about signal questions. So, what happened? Why did it happen? What caused it to happen? They also look for signal words to help identify cause and effect in literature. In this picture, we are looking at the effect of something. So, like good readers do, we can ask ourselves, what happened? It looks like this gentleman is on the ground. It appears as though he fell based on how he's laying there. And why do we think he fell? Well, hopefully you notice there is a banana peel, so we can infer that he slipped on the banana peel and fell. In this picture, it's actually cool. We are watching the effect happen. This is a bubble that is in the process of being popped. Therefore, the effect would be that the bubble popped. The cause, you can see, would be from someone poking it. This picture, again, we're looking at the effect. And so we should be asking ourselves, this dog is in this hammock like this because how did he get there? Well, we could guess he either tried to jump on there or he was placed on there and his legs fell through the holes. Here, again, we are looking at the effect of what happened. The effect being the tongue is stuck to the pole. Here you will need some background knowledge about why this happens with a very cold metal pole or something. When it meets a warm tongue and that moisture on the tongue freezes to the metal part of the post there. Here is another example of an effect. You have to do a little bit of inferring to realize that this cat is covered in something like packing peanuts. You can see there is a box at the bottom, so we could guess it's some sort of package that was maybe fragile and had those packing peanuts. You do need background knowledge on static electricity and how styrofoam will be attracted to material like fur or hair. What you are going to do is you are going to read this article on the Great Chicago Fire. After you read the article, you are going to complete a cause and effect thinking map, identifying causes for the effect of the Great Chicago Fire. And you will be asked to make a copy of it for you to fill out on your own.